Here we have an item at a business depreciating or decreasing in value according to this function. B is the value, T is the time in years. The original value, we're putting in T equals 0. Negative 0.25 times 0 is still 0. 2 to the 0 is 1. Multiply that by 8,000. So it started out with a value of 8,000. 5 years later, negative 0.25 times 5 is negative 1.25. It's 2 to the negative 1.25. Again, make sure that you've got the negative on that exponent. Different calculators may get there in different ways. Got to multiply that by 8,000. And we're supposed to round to the nearest dollar. So the 5 after the decimal point, that's going to round up to 33.64. $3,364. 10 years later, negative 0.25 times 10 will be negative 2.5. So I have to find out what 2 to the negative 2.5 is and multiply that by 8,000. So 2 to the negative 2.5. Again, make sure that you've got a negative exponent. Multiply that by 8,000. We're supposed to round to the nearest dollar again. That 2 after the decimal point is going to round this down to 1414. So $1,414. And the last part. All of these seem to show some exponential functions that are decreasing as time increases, but we want to make sure we have an initial value of 8,000. And this one, part A, is starting out at 10,000, as well as what we have in part D. So it seems to be down to, if we're going by thousands, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000. Seems like it's going to be either part B or part C. If I zoom in on that a little bit, the choice in C appears to be 10 years, giving us about 1,000, whereas in part choice B, somewhere between 1,000 and 2,000. That seems to me to be closer to the 1414 that we found in the previous part of the question. So I'm going to choose B. That's all for now. I hope it's helped. If it has, please like the videos and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you again real soon.